Hashtag Advanced Materials Technology, the future in your hands. You're probably thinking advanced materials are only for scientists and labs, right? Wrong. The materials revolution is happening right now, and it's about to transform everything you own, from your phone battery to your clothes to the buildings you live in. Today, we're breaking down what's actually happening in materials science, why it matters to you, and how these innovations are reshaping technology as we know it. Let me be upfront with you, this field is moving incredibly fast. My research extends through April 2024, and the space is evolving monthly. So we're going to focus on verified developments and point you toward where to find the absolute latest breakthroughs. That's how we navigate this tech journey responsibly. Here's the problem most people face: materials technology sounds abstract. You hear graphene or metamaterials and your eyes glaze over. But when you understand what's actually happening, you realize these materials are solving real problems. Better batteries that charge faster. Stronger structures that weigh less. Solar cells that work even on cloudy days. These aren't science fiction, they're happening now. Let's start with graphene. Think of it as a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb pattern. It's stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and conducts electricity better than copper. According to materials research documented through early 2024, graphene applications were expanding into battery technology, where researchers were demonstrating faster charging capabilities and longer lifespans. The challenge? Manufacturing graphene at scale while keeping costs reasonable. But companies were actively solving this problem. Here's where it gets interesting. Perovskite solar cells represent another major breakthrough. Unlike traditional silicon solar panels, perovskites are cheaper to manufacture and more flexible. Per materials science documentation available through April 2024, efficiency rates were climbing, with lab prototypes reaching 33% efficiency in tandem configurations. The real-world application? Imagine solar panels integrated into building facades, windows, even clothing. That's the potential we're talking about. Now, if you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and this stuff only gets more fascinating when you understand how it connects to your everyday life. Let's dive into metamaterials. These are engineered materials designed to have properties not found in nature. We're talking about materials that can bend light the wrong way, absorb sound perfectly, or become invisible to radar. I know that sounds wild, but it's legitimate research with military and civilian applications. Per defense and aerospace documentation, metamaterials were being integrated into noise cancellation technology and structural applications where lightweight and high strength are critical. The third major area we need to discuss is self-healing materials. Imagine concrete that repairs itself. Or coatings that fix scratches automatically. Researchers were developing polymers with capsules of healing agents that break open when cracks form, essentially creating biological repair mechanisms in non-biological materials. The applications? Longer-lasting infrastructure, reduced maintenance costs, and environmental benefits from less waste. Let me walk you through why these materials matter right now. Your smartphone battery? Materials science is making it safer and faster. Your car's structural components? Lighter composites mean better fuel efficiency. Your home's insulation? Advanced materials provide better thermal performance with thinner installations. These aren't future problems, manufacturers are implementing these solutions today. Here's what you need to understand about the current landscape. According to materials research databases and industry publications available through early 2024, the biggest bottleneck isn't innovation, it's scaling. Scientists can create incredible materials in labs. The challenge is manufacturing them cheaply enough for mass production. That's where the real race is happening. The second challenge? Integration. New materials often require new manufacturing processes, new supply chains, new regulations. A perfect material that can't be manufactured reliably isn't useful. A breakthrough that costs 3 times more than traditional materials won't replace what we're using now. Success means innovation plus practicality. Here are the pro tips you need to follow this space effectively. First, follow peer-reviewed journals. Nature Materials, Advanced Materials, and Materials Today publish cutting-edge research regularly. Google Scholar lets you search with date filters, so you can see what's been published in the last month. Second, watch material science conferences. MIT, Stanford, and institutions worldwide hold symposiums where researchers present latest findings. Third, check NIST and the Department of Energy's Advanced Manufacturing Office for government-supported initiatives. The companies to watch? Major chemistry and materials corporations are investing heavily. Look at their research divisions and white papers. Startups are also disrupting this space with focused innovations. When you see a company solving a specific materials challenge, that's where breakthroughs often emerge. Here's what I want you to do next. Pick one material from what we discussed: graphene, perovskites, metamaterials, or self-healing polymers. Search for latest breakthroughs in that specific area. You'll find university research, company announcements, and industry discussions. This is how you stay current in fast-moving fields. The materials revolution isn't coming. It's here. The devices you're using, the buildings around you, the vehicles on the road, they're all benefiting from materials science advances. And the next generation of these materials is being researched right now, by scientists pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, technology can seem overwhelming when you're standing outside it looking in. But when you break it down step by step, when you understand the problems being solved and the solutions being developed, everything clicks into place. That's exactly how you navigate your tech journey with confidence. And that's what we're here for. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our future. We post daily, and there's always something new to explore. Let's navigate this together.